would be nice. I really don't need another one. But, you know, whatever.
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible. Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
A few moments later.
So, it's weird, I have a bike, right? So actually going to buy another Fj62, it's a 1989. It's all the way out in Washington, D.C. I'm alone today, nobody can drive me to get it. So I'm gonna bike out there. I can go on the WOD trail all the way out to the metro and then metro on out there and pray that she makes it back. So just gotta pump my tires. All right, let's be honest. The middle of June is not the time to be going on a bike ride to go get a truck. But this is the only way I gotta get there. I gotta grab some tools. The truck's actually really cool. It's a 1989 from actually New York City. It was bought brand new there. And it has all the records of the truck, dating all the way up to present. It was then bought from Middleburg, Virginia, which is only about 15 minutes away, which is kind of cool from my spot. And then, you know, it ended up in DC. The guy got it, it was non-running, and he got it all running. I drove it yesterday, drives really great. We're gonna see what we can do. Just gotta get our right tools though. All this for a Landcruiser? Dang.
$2,000 years later.
All right, we just made it to the metro. Just gotta get that train after about a 25-mile bike ride. Gotta head into the city. Let's do it. Well, would you know it? The metro is closed. Of course, after a 25-mile bike ride it is. But they have a metro bus taking us to the next station, so that should be sweet. And we'll check back on the metro. All right, so, man, 25-mile bike ride, bus, 2 trains, and another little bit of bike ride of 2 miles. And we finally got here. There she is. I'm ready to take her home. All right, went ahead and put my secret plates on. And get ready to drive this beast home. We made the deal. Ready to rock and roll. Would you look at that dash? No cracks. When have you ever seen something like that? Ooh, so beautiful. Look. All right, first start. There she goes. Some window action. Truck's running. Let's take her on her maiden voyage. Let's do it. Look at this hodgepodge stuff. Put it in gear this way. Oh yeah, let's roll. the good old trusty bike in the back. She was a good tool to get me to the truck. Definitely a cool story for the books. I don't think I've ever picked up a car, nor will I ever do that again by biking to the place to do it. But it was super cool. Super hyped on this truck. Great sound system. It actually has Bluetooth. That's awesome. And she's been doing pretty good. Just been slugging about 10 miles through it already on the highway. Good highway gears and everything. So she's doing all good. Oh man, what a dream. Jeez. Man. Wait, what? What is this doing here? Is this a joke? This has got to be a bad dream. Nope, wasn't dreaming. We got another one. All right, so here she sits after a couple of rides around and taking her home yesterday. Let's go through a little bit of what she actually is before I start doing some wrenching on it. She's solid for the most part. That's the only reason I bought it.